Hello, friends. It's Teacher Nicole here. I'm out in my garden having my breakfast tea with my friend, my chicken. This is my chicken Pop Tart, and this morning she was feeling a little grumpy. I'm pretty sure she was feeling grumpy because I was late getting her breakfast, but it also made me think of another story called Grumpy Bird. Let's read it together. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. Do you know what being grumpy is? Sometimes it feels like you're just in a bad mood for no reason. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today, said Bird. Do sometimes we get so angry or upset or grumpy that we don't want to do anything else? Sometimes. Bird walked past Sheep. There he is. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. Do you think Bird wanted company on his walk? Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Now he's got how many friends? 1, 2. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hi, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? It looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking? Guessed Beaver. I love walking. So now how many friends does he have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 friends. Pretty good. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. So we had 4 friends, and now Fox is coming. That makes 5. 5. Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg. Can you stand on one leg? Pretty good. The other animals stood on one leg. Look at Sheep. He has 4 legs and he's still standing on one. Pretty good. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. Now look at Bird's face. Does he still look grumpy? Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Come on, said Bird. We had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. And they did. Look what they're having for a snack. That's one of your favorite treats too, huh? Earthworms. Well, my friends, when I get grumpy, I like to take a walk. And I also like to be with my friends. So when you're grumpy, what do you like to do? What makes you feel better? What makes you happy? That's a good thing to think about today. Alright, chicken. My little Pop-Tart. Say goodbye. Bye, everybody. And I'll see you all real soon.